Hi, thanks for watching. Isn't it a pain when you think you've done it all? You're just ready to go. You've shut the doors. You've cleared up the kitchen, and you've sat down. You put on your seat belts. You're ready to drive off. You put in the key. You start the engine, and lo and behold, even though you're sure you locked the door properly, it still says door open on the dashboard. If you're having this same problem, keep tuned in because I think I've got the solution for you. It's a very quick, simple fix, virtually costing nothing. So if you do find this useful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe because it helps the channel. The way the van knows if the door has been closed is through a sensor switch. And the sensor switch is located here. And what happens is when the door is closed, when it slams shut, it presses a button, and that's how the car knows that the door is shut. The trouble is, the way they've made it, not very good. The whole sensor is actually quite loose. It's just kept in place with a simple loose plastic stud. So to remove the fitting, just use a small screwdriver and that little plastic stud comes out, and it'll soon be obvious to you that it's a little fiddly little mechanism, and it needs just to be placed in a way that it's not going to move around. I happen to use a little bit of self-adhesive that was at the end of a little hook, so I tore that out, cut it into 4 little strips, and I stuck it onto the metal part of the van, and then I replaced the sensor. So now the sensor is both sitting more securely and also slightly more proud than it was before, so it makes good contact against the door when it's closed, and that way I'm not getting so many error messages when the door is slammed. So I hope this has been useful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.